How to turn off IGTV view count notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off IGTV view count notifications settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and here click on your profile in the bottom corner and then click these three lines and then settings, now notifications, and here you will find live and IGTV notification settings. And if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just select this one, first one here, and then go back. It will be saved, and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.